Hi, welcome to Naan at Noon. Today we made
chicken madras and
garlic naan.
Here's how we made it.
Before you start cooking, make sure to always wash your hands.
add 1/8 cup room temperature water, half teaspoon dry active yeast, and 1 tablespoon sugar.
While the yeast is sitting, let's work on the flour. 2 cups flour goes into a medium-sized bowl, followed by baking powder and baking soda.
After the yeast is activated for 10 minutes, add it to the dry ingredient mixture. Then add a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt and 3/8 cup of milk.
Now, whisk together until it forms a soft dough. Now, knead the dough briefly on a well-floured surface.
We'll call it Ya Easter because this bread has risen.
Now cut it into 6 equal parts.
Now for the naan, butter one side. And then flip it into the pan. Then butter the other side.
Now, sprinkle garlic all over the surface.
Two chicken breasts into medium-sized chunks.
It is especially important to wash your hands after handling raw meat.
Next, take your food processor and add half an onion cut into quarters and 1 clove of garlic.
In addition to half a chili pepper and half a thumb-sized thing of whatever. Now, blitz until it becomes a coarse paste. First, add a tablespoon of vegetable oil to a medium saucepan, and then add your onion mixture and let cook for 5 minutes.
First add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Then add half a teaspoon of cumin. Then half a teaspoon of coriander. And half a teaspoon of chili powder.
Now, add the chicken. Now stir until all the chicken is completely covered with the spice.
Make sure to add only half a can of diced tomatoes.
Add a pinch of salt, cover, and let cook for 30 minutes.
Take 1 cup rice and add 2 cups water. And and then cover it with saran wrap. And cook it for 7 minutes. While things are cooking, take a nap. You deserve it.
Now, after you've taken your nap, why don't we go over a few history and fun facts of India? During the 7 Years' War, Britain took control of all of India from the French. During the Age of Exploration, Europeans, when discovering new worlds, sought out India, and India was one of the first places to be colonized and exploited by the other Europeans. During the Industrial Revolution, the British East India Company placed specific policies on India to prevent industrialism from becoming large there. Another fact is that when India separated into Pakistan and India, millions of people flooded over the borders and resulted in millions of deaths. The two political groups responsible for the splitting of India and Pakistan were the Indian National Congress and the Muslim League.
Here are some fun facts. When new imperialism was introduced to the world, many countries escaped, but not India. Queen Victoria in 1876 was known as the Empress of India. Gandhi was assassinated by a Hindu militant in 1948. Indian independence was granted by Britain along with the creation of Pakistan in 1947. And India was neutral in the Cold War, trying to supply leadership to newly independent countries.
Thanks for tuning in to
Non at Noon.
Come back next week for
Non at 11 p.m.
While things are cooking, take a nap. You deserve it. While things are cooking, take a nap. You deserve it.
Man.
Add 1/8 cup room temperature water, half teaspoon dry active.
There goes the heat. Alright, what do we do now?
Next, take your food processor. And add
Go.
For our first history fact, For our first history fact, the fact is that
rice. Add 1 cup rice.
Just do it.
1 second.
Let's go on the old snap store.
Wait, no, you have to take a picture of me with it. Are you kidding me?
there's the window. There we go.
You got a hit.